Safety Toolbox Talk number 333. SOP for fire evacuation and drills. 1. Purpose. This SOP outlines the procedure for evacuating the premises in the event of a fire emergency and provides guidelines for conducting fire evacuation drills. 2. Scope. This procedure applies to all employees, visitors, and contractors within the premises, including any areas subject to potential fire hazards. 3. Responsibilities. Safety officer, responsible for ensuring fire evacuation plans are in place, drills are scheduled and executed, and employees are trained. Department heads/managers, ensure that their teams are familiar with fire evacuation procedures and participate in drills. Employees must familiarize themselves with evacuation routes, alarms, and procedures and participate in fire drills. Security/facilities team, ensure fire alarms, exits, and emergency lighting are operational. (4) Fire evacuation procedure. 4.1 Fire alarm activation. Upon activation of the fire alarm, all individuals must immediately stop their current activities and prepare for evacuation. Do not use elevators during evacuation. 4.2 Evacuation process. Evacuation routes. Use the designated fire exits, following the posted evacuation maps in all areas. Evacuation routes and exits should be clear of obstacles at all times. Assembly area. After evacuating the building, proceed to the designated assembly area, located. Insert assembly area details. Head count. Department heads/managers will account for all employees and report any missing persons to the fire safety officer. Special considerations. Individuals with mobility issues should be assisted to designated safe areas or exits by assigned staff members. (4.3) Emergency contacts. Safety officer, insert contact info. Emergency services, fire department, insert contact info. 5. Fire drill procedure. 5.1 Scheduling of fire drills. Fire evacuation drills will be held, frequency, e.g. quarterly, annually, to ensure preparedness. Drills will occur during different times of the day to familiarize employees with varied circumstances. 5.2 Drill notification. A drill notification will be sent to all employees in advance, but the exact time and date will remain unannounced. Notification will include guidelines to treat the drill as a real fire situation. (5.3) Drill execution. The fire safety officer will oversee the drill, ensuring all participants evacuate safely and promptly. During the drill, employees must follow the same procedures as in an actual emergency. Observations will be made to identify any potential issues or bottlenecks in the evacuation process. 5.4 Post-drill evaluation. A debrief will be held after each drill to discuss performance, challenges, and improvements. Feedback will be provided to departments, and necessary adjustments will be made to the evacuation plan or training. 6. Training and awareness. New employee orientation. All new employees will receive fire safety training during their onboarding process. Ongoing training. Refresher training will be provided periodically, including information on fire safety, evacuation routes, and the importance of drills. Signage, fire exits, alarms, and emergency routes will be clearly marked in all areas. '7. Documentation and reporting. Records of all fire drills will be maintained, including the date, time, participation, and any issues identified. Any incidents or near misses during evacuation drills will be reported, investigated, and addressed promptly. 8. Review and updates. This SOP will be reviewed and updated, insert review frequency, or whenever there are changes in legislation, building layout, or operational requirements. Thank you.